Hi, you must be new here.
Hello. Yes, it's my first day.
Welcome, new guy. What's your name?
My name is Jack. And you?
I'm Emma. I work in sales.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Oh, I am also a salesman.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. It seems like we are desk mates from now on.
Yes, everyone here is our teammate, right?
Yes, we have 20 people in our sales team.
That's great. I feel a bit nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone is kind and friendly.
Thank you.
You still sound nervous. Where did you work before?
I worked at a small company. It's a family business.
Oh, what did you do there?
I was a sales assistant.
Interesting. I believe here you'll have the chance to do more tasks.
That would be great. I'm ready to learn new things.
Quick question. Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee. It wakes me up. Why do you ask that?
We have free coffee in the food court.
Really? That's very nice.
Yes. Do you want me to show you?
I think I saw it earlier. It's near the manager's office, right?
Yes. Sharp eyes. Oh, and the snacks are free too.
Snacks? That's amazing.
Speaking of the manager, do you know our manager's name?
Yes, Miss Linda. We met earlier.
Nice. She's very supportive and helpful.
Good to know. I hope we make a great team.
It's still early, so I think other teammates will arrive soon. You'll meet more people.
Oh, I'm a little nervous, but I cannot wait to meet my new coworkers.
You can talk to them now, or maybe after work. Some people often play badminton.
Oh, nice. I like badminton.
Really? Maybe you can join us today.
Sure. It sounds fun, if you don't mind.
We would be happy to have you. You'll do well. Trust yourself.
Thank you, Emma. I will try my best.
Morning, Daisy. Busy already? Morning. Not that busy. I am just checking my emails.
Ah, yes, I also have a lot from the manager about that new project.
Yeah, I think I will start with her email about the upset client first. Hope you can deal with him.
Also, we have a team meeting at 10 a.m., don't forget.
Right, meeting room B, right?
Yes, I have booked the room.
Thanks for the reminder.
And after the meeting, we will have to do the report.
Oh, right, I almost forget. It's the end of the month already.
Hey, chill. We just need to update the numbers. It's pretty positive, actually.
Oh my, I have so much work to do today. Should we ask Linda to cover?
Oh, if you are dealing with that customer, let me cover the report for you then.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Hey, your work is more urgent now.
Yeah, I need to focus now. Thanks for checking me.
Good. Don't you forget, we only have 15 minutes left before the meeting.
Yes, I will be there on time.
Hugh, are you free?
Do you need help?
Yeah, can you help me with this report?
Sure. What's making you stuck right now?
I don't know how to start the monthly summary part.
Let me see what you have. Oh my, that's too long. You should begin with 2 short sentences about the main results. 2 sentences only? Put total sales and comparison to last month.
Okay. Where can I find the sales numbers?
Open the file sales data in the shared drive.
Which sheet?
Use the second sheet, please. Hey, have you never opened this file before?
Sorry, I'm covering for Ben. He is in charge of this, but he is sick today.
Okay, let me show you the drill then. Now you need to add a simple bar chart.
Should I include percentages or only raw numbers?
Just raw numbers are fine, plus a short note below.
Where do I insert the chart inside the report?
Put it under the summary, before the conclusion part.
How long should my conclusion paragraph be?
One short paragraph with key points and suggestions.
Right. Everything is fine now, right?
Yes, but you should double-check totals and formula cells. Just in case, you know. Who do I send the draft to for review first? Send it to me first, then forward it to Miss Linda.
When do you need my draft by today?
Please send it before 1 p.m. so I can review it.
Okay, I'll finish it before lunch and send it to you. Thank you so much for helping me.
No problem, Tom. I'm happy to help you anytime.
Emma, we have 2 important deadlines this week. Have you checked the schedule?
Yes, Lisa. I saw both tasks on the schedule this morning.
The report is due Wednesday, and the client file is due Thursday. I'm worried that doing both at the same time may be a little rushy. I see. What's your plan to handle them without rushing? I will try to finish the report by Wednesday afternoon. That's good. What about the client file then? I'll start preparing it right after sending the report. Will you have enough time to check everything before Friday? This file is pretty complicated. I think I'll need to work with Mia on the client data. Mia can assist you with that. Should I ask Mia to send you the data earlier?
Yes, please. That would help me a lot.
Okay, I'll talk to her today and push for Thursday morning.
Thank you. In that case, can I hand in this file by Friday?
Oh, Thursday is a little bit too close, right?
Yes, I will try my best, but the schedule is pretty heavy right now.
So, Friday it is for you. Keep me updated about any changes.
Sure, thank you so much.
No problem, Emma. It's better to plan together early.
I'll focus on the report today. We may have to book a team meeting with the sales team.
Good. If something delays you, just tell me right away.
I will. I'll do my best to deliver both on time.
I trust you, Emma. We'll meet again tomorrow to check progress.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the conversations helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. This is your homework. Please comment below and tell us, what's your daily routine at work? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.